afternoon. Welcome to the Horton. This is Raul Torres. We are going to look at the Henley model here in the Belmont Woods Community. If I'm not around, or if you need to come in at a later time, please scan this QR code on the door. That will give you access with a PIN number to unlock the door and come in and take a tour on your own. This model has 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, plus a den, which is over here on the left. Kitchen area either comes with these gray cabinets like this. They also have a sarsaparilla brown and a white cabinet. All of our homes come with a deco lighting system. Includes the combination of intensity on the light plus also motion sensors. All of our homes also include the Whirlpool appliances. So you'll have a refrigerator, a gas stove, the microwave, and the dishwasher included. Has the backsplash, plus it also has the quartz countertops, room for normal sized table and chairs. And over here we have the great room concept. It is pre-wired for a TV on that far wall, so you don't have cables dangling. The 12 by 12 patio included, and you can upsize that if necessary. Back here we have the guest bedroom. Full-size closet. Additional closet space, full bathroom. And then we can go upstairs. Notice how wide the hallways are. To the right, we have the landing area. Another den, TV room, whatever you want to call it. Up here, all kinds of space for the family. In here, we have more than adequate space for your laundry facility. One of the other 4 bedrooms. Also a full-size closet in here. Full-size bed, and you still have quite a bit of room for our furniture. This would be the smallest room, but still notably large. Shared bathroom is equipped with dual sinks. This is the other full bathroom. And here we have the mechanical closet. Some have the instant heat water heaters. They have a 2-year warranty on the mechanical. It is plumbed from radon. You will have to put the exhaust fan on there if you decide you want to do that. And at the other end, we have the main bedroom. This is a king-size bed, just to illustrate how much space there is in here. Beautiful bathroom, walk-in closet, a little privacy. One of the other nice things is we have easy to clean windows. So instead of having to climb up ladders, pop those out, nice and easy to clean. House is also covered by Safe Haven for the first 3 years. You do get a system like this. It is set up for your alarm through ADT. And like I said, that is free for the first 3 years. You can also control your temperature here as well for the whole house. You can unlock and lock the front doors from there. You also can tie that into an app on your phone and directly control all of those as well. It also ties into your garage door opener, so if you have packages delivered after hours or while you're at work, they can open the garage door. You can open the garage door from there. I would love to show this home to you personally. Feel free to give me a call at area code 260-602-0963. Thank you.